Well, this is my last ride on the famous Monitor TR at my high school for my junior year. Do one more ride. This is rumored to be a Burlington. This could very well be. And there it goes, and that's it. I can't believe I'm doing this, but whatever. This is my last ride on it. So let's enjoy Monitor TR. I have a separate take of this. So this is not my actual video. This is just gonna be my last ride on it. For the year at least. Nice to ride this thing at least one more time. Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now there's, listen. Here it goes. That's about as close as I could get for the machine room. Anyways, that is it.